If you want to go ahead and change out your wordpress.com account password, then what you can do is you can go around onto the top right hand side and access out your profile right here. So once you go ahead and do that, over here on the left hand side, you can click on security section right here. And here you can see that password is an option. So if I were to go around and click on password, then you can see that I can simply go ahead and generate out a new password as I want right here, just like this. Or I can go ahead and create out a new password myself as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, let's say a particular password, but it says 2 weeks. So I'm just going to go around and add it in. And then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So let me just go ahead and generate out a strong password right here. And you can simply go ahead and save out your password. And that's it. That is how you can go ahead and then change around the password as you like inside of WordPress right here. So now, in order to go ahead and access your WordPress right here, you'll need to go ahead and use that particular password. But you may want to write down the password or remember it, or just use a password that you can remember easily so that you can sign in using the password that you changed. And that is simply how you can change your account password inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.